Welcome back, guys. In previous lecture, you have seen that list data type and how to call the sub list of from the values. So in this lecture, what we're gonna see is like in list, we can also it's possible to insert, update, and delete dynamically. So if you want to add in the first index, I want to add one more value. How can I do that? So I can do with that like market dot insert. Insert is the keyword which we use to insert at specific index. Let's say I want to add in first index. um I want to add orange. Let's print market now and see. So orange is added at first index. So um, if you do not have any preferences to add or first or second index likewise, and if you want to add randomly at the end, so you can also do that by using market dot append. So here we use the append keyword to insert at the end. I can straight away pass the value called grapes. Let me print and see. Print. So it's printed. Yeah, it's printed at the end. Grapes is printed at the end. So what the next thing, like currently we have seen that insert, using insert keyword and append keyword. Now we can update it. Let's say if I want to update uh, at broccoli index. Instead of broccoli, I want to add another vegetable. 0 1 2 3, third index. So what I will do is like I will go market of 3 equal to, I say, bitter gourd. Now let's print and see. See, previously you can see when you print here, it will be the broccoli, and at the final print it will show as bitter gourd. You can see it, right? I think third index, yeah, because what I was thought is like broccoli is the third index, but here we have added this orange at zeroth index, right? So third index is treated as carrot, so and carrot is updated with the bitter gourd. That's it, you can update. And finally I gonna delete 250. So to delete anything, we can use the del keyword. So let's say if I delete orange itself at zeroth index, again I'm gonna print market. Now now we cannot see orange at the last print. Let's rerun again. See, apples again. Initially when we print apples was the at zeroth index, and at the end it is apples is the first index, zeroth index, and remaining places you can see, right, zeroth index orange is printed, and we have deleted that we're using del command. So these are the different manipulations which we can do with the list data type, and let's see next topic in the further lecture. Thank you.